Hey guys, Chef Jason. Today's video, I'm hanging out here at Recteq HQ, and we're gonna show you a first cook video. That's right, we're making honey balsamic chicken thighs. But first, we're also gonna show you how to burn in your brand new Backyard Beast. So before we get any prep done, let's head out, show you that burn in process, come back in, get our prep done, and simple, easy first cook recipe today. All right, we are outside here on the grill deck at Recteq HQ. We've got our Backyard Beast taken apart, right? We went through and took the top grate out, one of the top grates, the cooking grate out. We washed them all down. We have the drip pan out. We're good to go. Now, I'm gonna tip the diffuser to the side so that fire pot is exposed. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put a handful of pellets. Shh, don't tell anyone. I'm gonna do a handful and a half because I didn't get as many as I wanted to. So, nice big fat handful and a half, and get those pellets loaded in there. And now we're gonna put the diffuser back, and we're gonna put the grill parts back in the grill. Next, I'll show you what we do over on the hopper side. All right, grill is all back together. Put in the drip tray, the bottom rack, the last top rack. Time to shut this down and open up the pellet hopper. Now, we are going to use the ultimate blend today: white oak, red oak, and a little bit of hickory. A lot of it delicious. So, it just filled up. I'm going all the way to the top here. Filling this thing up. Yep, that's right. Bag's 40 pounds, but I can handle it. We're gonna go all the way to the top, get that filled in like so. And I like to level it off because that's just me. Close it, latch that down, and we're going to get the Recteq turned on, set point of 400 degrees. And we're done. Wait, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave it alone for an hour. We're gonna let this burn in and season for 1 hour, and meantime, let's get back in the kitchen, get our prep work done. Okay, while the Recteq is heating up and burning in, let's walk through our ingredients real quick. We've got bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, very important. We have oil, garlic, Dijon mustard, some dried thyme, a little bit of dried rosemary. We've got that Asian persuasion right there, honey, balsamic, simple, easy, but it's gonna be absolutely delicious. So let's dig in and get prep done. All right, we've got the thighs already in the bowl, getting ready to enjoy some marinade time. In the big bowl here, I'm gonna go ahead and add the balsamic. Let's add a little bit of that oil, and we'll just go through and add all of these ingredients, get everything in here. I have my handy fork ready in case something decides it doesn't want to come out of the little bowl, but we should be good. We'll get that garlic, get that mustard like that. We have the thyme, a little bit of that rosemary, Asian persuasion. You know what we always say too, you want to add more? Add more. You want to add less? Add less. So I always like to season accordingly. We'll get that honey out, and then we'll go through with our fork and just get this all mixed up. The key to this is going to be letting that sit in the marinade for an hour, but it works out great because guess what? It takes an hour to season the grill, and then the grill will be all burned in and ready to go. And speaking of ready to go, the marinade is all set. So we'll get that out of here, and we'll get it into the chicken next. I like to get in here too, everything out of that bowl. Watch this, watch. Pro level tip for you right here. Yeah, just use your gloved hand. Get in there and get everything out of the bowl, into that, and carefully just mix all this in. Lift that up, get it all set, let these guys do their thing. It's always cool to see this because guess what? We didn't have to use a ton of marinade. We're not wasting anything. It's all going to use, and we've got it all seasoned. Now, pack it in nice and tight. Cover this up into the fridge. I'll see you back when it's time to get these out and onto the Recteq. All right, we're gonna turn the temp down here to 375 now. Leave it alone because it's automatically going to adjust. But look at that. We are seasoned and ready to go. So let's add our thighs in there. Skin side down. We're gonna let these go for 20 minutes. Skin side down. Then we're gonna come back, flip them. We're gonna cook them bone side down for another 20. But I'll get these loaded. We'll shut the lid. We'll get cooking. All right, so after, let me see, 20 plus 20 is 40, about 45 minutes. We checked the temp, we hit 165, and those are done. They smell absolutely delicious. So we'll get these off, we'll get them in the kitchen, and then I guess it's just time to do what we always do, and that's a little bit of that quality control, but look at that right there. Now, the cool part about this video is we not only burned in our brand new grill, got it all ready to go, but then we utilized that process to help us rock some amazing chicken thighs. Those came out wonderfully. They smell incredible. And the only question left is, did my doctor say no chicken skin or chicken skin? I don't remember, so chicken skin it is. Now, stay tuned because I've got another great video coming up on a Recteq where I'm going to show you how to use the X-Fire to do reverse seared burgers. And that video coming up right after chicken skin and chicken thigh. Cheers.